When people say meditate to increase your self awareness, I say from my own experience that you will need to have a full understanding of self awareness before you sit down for meditation. In this video, I will share the three components of self awareness, why self awareness is the first milestone towards our meditation journey, and also how to grow your self awareness towards your inner growth without meditation. When I started to meditate, I was very committed. I was sitting down to meditate with my body and with my mind, but not knowing where to go. The most important piece was missing, which was the connection to my soul or to my heart. So once I understood that and I plugged it in, meditation became very enjoyable practice. And also, I was able to get results from it. I was able to make decisions with confidence. I was able to control my mind whenever I wanted to. I was able to say no very comfortably. And I just gave my whole self a priority. Okay, so what are the three components of self awareness? A confident body, a controlled mind, and an awake soul are the components of self awareness that are needed to go towards an inner journey or inner growth. The key is to understand that our mind, body, and soul are three separate entities that are working together to make us whole. As soon as I had knowledge or realized this knowledge, then my perspective about meditation changed, and I was able to apply it throughout my day to different mindful moments and get faster and much better result than I was sitting down and doing meditation. If you are able to align your mind, body, and soul at the same time with your daily routine activities, then you have reached the first milestone towards your inner growth or inner journey. This is where you can stay for as long as you want because you have achieved self awareness. You understand your mind, body, and soul, that they are separate entities, but they are working together. Self awareness is the foundation of a healthy relationship with yourself. As you know yourself better, your confidence level goes up and you're able to expose yourself or your inner self eventually with confidence. It also empowers you to make decisions that will prioritize your well being while making healthy connections with others. You're becoming much healthier, calmer, you're making the right decisions, you know that you're going in the right direction, so you are already operating at a higher level of consciousness or state of being. At this point, you have two choices. You can stay at this level of self awareness and practice mindful activities to understand yourself better every day. Your second choice is to go to the next level of meditation, which I call it a sit down meditation or a problem solution meditation. But staying at this milestone at the self awareness level, where we are practically using our mind, body, and soul every day with our normal daily activities to understand and know ourselves better, then it is perfectly fine. So, here are the three things to improve your self awareness now. The first thing that really helped me understand and see myself from inside out, see who I am, was this book by Michael Singer, The Untethered Soul. I still listen to this audiobook for years now. This was the first book that answered a lot of questions that was in my head. So maybe it will help you too. The second thing that I would recommend is that stop your struggle with meditation. Stop looking for things that does not apply at this level or at the beginning level of your meditation, and it will only confuse you more and more. So instead, look for opportunities every day to align your body, mind, and soul to be self aware at that moment while doing any kind of activities. The third recommendation that I have is to watch these three videos that I made previously, and they are about physical awareness or sensory awareness, mental awareness, and spiritual awareness. Each one of them have 7 activities that will help you to become more self-aware. Watch this next video for many more self-awareness examples to help you towards your inner growth. And I'll see you there.